Sir, can you tell me something?
Yes sir, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
मैं हुगली फैक्ट्री में बैठता हूँ, ठीक है।
जी
मेरा
जी.
मेन काम पड़ता है आपका एमआईएस का।
So you are taking care of MIs, right?
यस यस सर।
Very
उससे
good.
रिलेटेड तो बहुत सारा एक्सेल का तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही रहता है जरूरत।
हम्म
मैनुअली बहुत सारा काम है उसमें आपका।
हम्म.
कैलकुलेशन तो टोटल आपका एमआईएस का मैनुअली है।
नो वरी, क्योंकि कुछ ऑटोमेशन हम लोग सीखेंगे, डैशबोर्ड सीखेंगे. सो एब्सोल्युटली दिस विल हेल्प यू टू मैनेज योर थिंग्स. यू कैन सेव योर टाइम. बहुत आराम से हम लोग कर पाएंगे. नो वरी. सो सबका इंट्रोडक्शन लेना पॉसिबल नहीं है. जस्ट मैं चेक कर रहा था वॉइस. सो दिस इज ऑल सेट, आई गेस क्लियर है. एक दो जने से और मैं बात कर लेता हूँ. आशीष, आशीष प्रजापति. सर
Yes.
टेल यू. यस.
Yes. Good morning, sir.
Good
Ashish
morning.
Prajapati. I am a QC manager at Panoli factory.
Okay.
I want to know what about Excel. हमें ज्यादा इतना जरूरत नहीं है पर्दा, लेकिन सीखने के लिए.
No problem, sir. No problem. Okay, fine. So now let us begin with my introduction. My name is Dr. Brajesh Anand, and I have having, you can say, more than 15 years of experience. I used to work for many organizations. I have trained almost 10,000 participants from different industry. So I guess you will enjoy the session. So I'm going to tell you about the roadmap, how we can proceed, what is the way, how we can start, where we can start, and where we have to go. So there are three words. One word is called data entry. Another is called data analysis. And third word is called data visualization. So these three words says everything about Excel. Like if you are going to just make report or applying your pivot table charts or graph, this is very necessary to work on your data first. Which kind of data you have? Is there any error or something like that? This is very mandatory. So in data entry section, we will learn about how we can clean data, how we can trim data, how we can sort data, how we can filter data. There are several things in Excel that is very mandatory. Before proceeding any like report or creating any report, you have to work on your data first. आई गेस किसी को इंग्लिश में दिक्कत नहीं होगी. आपकी टीम इंग्लिश के लिए बनाया गया, बट मैं बीच में थोड़ा सा मिक्स कर देता हूँ कि ये तीन डेटा एंट्री में डेटा को एंटर करना, अलॉन्ग विथ उस डेटा में क्या क्या दिक्कतें आ सकती है, तो डेटा को कैसे क्लीन करेंगे, डेटा को कैसे ट्रिम करेंगे, कैसे सॉर्ट करेंगे, कैसे फिल्टर करेंगे. वी विल लर्न ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन डेटा एंट्री बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी मैंडेटरी. इफ यू आर मेकिंग रिपोर्ट, आप अगर एक रिपोर्ट बना रहे हो तो सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि हमारे डेटा में कोई इश्यूज ना हो. अगर आपके डेटा में डेटा में दिक्कत है तो रिपोर्ट्स कभी मैच नहीं करेगा. सो डेटा एंट्री is mandatory. So we have to learn so many things in data entry. Another is data analysis. This is the main course from the beginning to advance. We have to learn 300 plus things in data analysis like pivot, chart, graph, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, if, formula creation, what is the difference between functions, conditional formatting. There are several things in data analysis. We will learn from the basic to advanced. Now come to data visualization. Data visualization means once you prepare your report and you have to discuss with your team or maybe with the higher management people, then how you can show your report. Which kind of level should be required during the presentation. So that is called data visualization. That means you will learn about how to create dashboards. I guess ये 3 word clear हो गया होगा. Everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Great. So just I'm showing you where we have to start and where we have to go. There is a simple question is, if I'm writing Manoj, just see, I'm writing Manoj. And if I'm dragging it down or left or right or up, what will come in this cell? Manoj ji.
Mr. Manoj will come.
Manoj will come. Great. So same thing, Animesh. If I'm writing Animesh, so what will come? They will copy, like you will
Same.
name here. Okay. Now I'm writing my name. And dragging it down the same way. So you can see we are getting a list of the person
Yes,
with a different name, like Brajesh, Riya, Khushi, Himanshi, Neha, and something like that. How this is working. And by learning this thing, what we can do, just suppose you are making reports whole the day, especially MIS and accounts. We are making reports whole the day. If you are just planning to create multiple report on the basis of your team, like there is a attendance report is there, performance report is there, their work distribution report is there, submission report is there. So if you are able to create this kind of thing, then definitely you can save your time. Similarly, if we are working for different cities, like if you are writing Ahmedabad, right, or Hyderabad or something